Dear student, we are in our property of chlorine. You can see with cold and dilute alkalis. Alkali means base. Cold and dilute. Concentrated now with you. Cold in a low temperature. 2 mole of NaOH reacting with chlorine in sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite. Na plus or Cl minus is sodium hypochlorite. But when we take a hot and concentrated NaOH, so 6:3 mole will be used. Gives 5 mole NaCl and ClO3 minus sodium chlorate gives chlorate, sodium chlorate oxide, and 3 mole of water. With dry slaked lime, it gives bleaching powder. Dry slaked lime, the lime no water na solution calcium hydroxide. In the calcium hydroxide, when we pass chlorine gas, it gives calcium hypochlorite, calcium chloride, and 2 mole of water. OCl minus is hypochlorite. Calcium having charge plus 2, so it will be 2. Calcium hypochlorite, calcium chloride, this is the formula of bleaching powder. Asked in exam, underline it. Formula for bleaching powder is CaOCl2, calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide, and 2 mole of water. Chlorine react with hydrocarbons to give substituted products. The hydrocarbon hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine and gives chloroalkane. But here you can see sunlight is necessary. In the presence of sunlight, bond breaks between chlorine, and here hydrogen replaced by chlorine gives chloromethane. And this reaction continues when we take another chlorine with the sunlight. So it gives a dichloromethane. In presence of sunlight, once again gives a trichloromethane. In the sunlight, react with chlorine gives tetrachloromethane, like this. Here sunlight is necessary. Now ethene. In ethene, at room temperature, without sunlight, in ethene, pi bond breaks and chlorine adds there. After breaking the pi bond, it gives 1,2 dichloroethane. It gives 1,2 dichloroethane. It gives 1,2 dichloroethane. Chlorine water on standing loss of its yellow color due to chlorine lost its yellow color due to the formation of hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Chlorine is yellowish when we dissolve into water, so gives hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. So removes its color. Hypochlorous acid also formed gives nascent oxygen. Yes, in hypochlorous acid it gives releases oxygen. Freshly made oxygen is called nascent oxygen, which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching property of chlorine. The chlorine no water na solution hypochlorous acid આપે, then after releases oxygen, એટલે આ release કરે oxygen, એટલે oxidizing agent, otherwise as a bleaching agent very useful, which is very useful as a bleaching agent, bleaching property due to nascent oxygen. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous to ferric. ferrous ion means Fe plus 2 convert into ferric. So you can see 2 mole of ferrous sulfate in the presence of sulfuric acid. When we pass chlorine gas, so it gives ferric sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Now sodium sulfite. Here oxidation number is plus 4. Here plus 6. Sodium sulfite convert into sodium sulfate. So oxidation occurs by chlorine water, which is good oxidizing agent. Itself experiences reduction. એટલે ક્લોરીનનું પોતાનું રિડક્શન થાય ઓક્સિડાઇઝિંગ એજન્ટ છે આ સલ્ફર પ્લસ 6 એમાંથી પ્લસ 4 માંથી પ્લસ 6 માં કન્વર્ટ કરે. Now SO2 sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide and iodine to iodate. First SO2 convert into SO3 and that SO3 dissolves into water. Then after gives a sulfuric acid like this. SO2 plus H2O plus Cl2 gives H2SO over here direct given. First of all SO3 occurs. Then after in the presence of water convert into sulfuric acid. SO3 easily dissolves into water and gives sulfuric acid. Iodine convert into iodic acid plus 5. Iodine plus 6 mole water, 5 mole chlorine gives 2 mole of hydroiodic acid, iodic acid and 10 mole of HCl. Chlorine is a powerful bleaching agent. એટલે કોઈ પણ કલરફુલ ઇમ્પ્યુરિટીઝ હોય ને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે અને બ્લીચિંગ એજન્ટ કહેવાય. બ્લીચિંગ એક્શન ઇઝ ડ્યુ ટુ ઓક્સિડેશન. ને બ્લીચિંગ એક્શન છે એ ઓક્સિડેશનને કારણે છે. It bleaches vegetable or organic matter in the presence of moisture. Bleaching effect of chlorine is permanent. Now bleaching effect છે temporarily permanently color remove કરે છે. First we discussed the chlorine react with water, otherwise moist. It gives 2 mole HCl and 1 oxygen. Colored substance combined with oxygen and convert into colorless substances. And this process is called the bleaching process occurs. Now uses of chlorine. Uses of chlorine, it is very useful for bleaching wood pulp, required for the manufacturing of paper and rayon. આપણે વેરાવળમાં રેયોન ફેક્ટરી છે, થ્રેડ દોરા બનાવે છે કાપડ માટેના. એની ઉપરની કોઈ કલર ઇમ્પ્યુરિટી હોય. વુડ છે એનો પલ્પ લાકડાના માવામાં યલો ઇમ્પ્યુરિટી હોય એને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે એઝ અ બ્લીચિંગ એજન્ટ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. બ્લીચિંગ કોટન છે એટલે કે રૂ એમાં yellowish impurity હોય. We can remove by chlorine. In the extraction of gold and platinum, platinum and gold na extraction in the metallurgy. The metal ni koi ore hoy માંથી metal ne remove karwa in metallurgy industry is very important. In the manufacture of dyes, different type of colors, drugs, medicine and organic compounds such as we discussed carbon tetrachloride, chloroform. When methane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight gives chloroform. Once again react with chlorine gives dichloromethane. Once again react with chlorine gives chloroform. Once again it gives carbon tetrachloride like this. DDT, para dichloro trichloroethane is this PDD. Refrigerants means chlorofluorocarbon, freon gas એમાં બનાવવામાં પણ ક્લોરીન યુઝફુલ છે. In sterilizing drinking water, આપણે નગરપાલિકાનું વોટર આવે જ્યારે રોગચાળો ફેલાય ત્યારે કોલેરા, ડિપ્થેરિયા, મેલેરિયા ત્યારે ક્લોરીન વાળું વોટર આપે. Drinking water sterilized by chlorine એટલે એને જંતુરહિત કરશે. germs free. Preparation of poisonous gas such as oxygen, which is also carbonyl chloride, tear gas CCl3NO2, which is tear gas. પોલીસ પાસે હોય છે, કોઈ ભીડ છે જમા થઈ હોય એને દૂર કરવી હોય તો ટીયર ગેસ તો આંખમાંથી સતત આંસુ વહેશે. મસ્ટાર્ડ ગેસ એકદમ તીવ્ર ખરાબ વાસ વાળો વાયુ છે, આ છોડવાથી કોઈ ત્યાં રહી શકે નહીં. મસ્ટાર્ડ ગેસ એમાં ક્લોરીન યુઝફુલ છે. Now uses are 2 marks માટે પૂછાય. Uses of chlorine. Now example 7.17. Write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction of chlorine with hot and concentrated NaOH. Is this reaction a disproportionation reaction? Justify. Here oxidation number of chlorine is 0. When we take 3 mole of chlorine with 6 mole NaOH gives 5 mole NaCl and sodium chlorate. Yes. 0 into -1 means reduction. 0 into +5 means oxidation. Here chlorine experiences both oxidation and reduction. Chlorine from 0 oxidation state change -1 and +5. So which is called the reduction disproportionation. Now 7.29 index question. Give the reason for bleaching action of chlorine. Yes, give the reason for bleaching action of the chlorine gas. Chlorine can act as a bleaching agent in presence of water. Chlorine react with water, gives HCl, hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid is unstable, so it releases one oxygen, which is called Naskant oxygen. Release Naskant oxygen combines with color substance, and oxidation થઈ જાય colorless substance માં ફેરવાઈ જાય due to formation of Naskant oxygen. Chlorine bleaches by oxidation, and this bleaching effect is permanent. એટલે ક્લોરીન નો જે બ્લીચિંગ થાય by chlorine water permanent હોય છે. SO2 is also bleaching agent, but it bleaches by reduction, and bleaching is not permanent. SO2, remember, is one of the bleaching agent, but the effect of is not permanent. પાછલી છે કલરફુલ ઇમ્પ્યુરિટી આવી જાય. Name the 2 poisonous gases which can be prepared from chlorine gas. Chlorine gas માંથી બનતા બે poisonous gas ના name આપો. Mustard gas and phosgene. It is used in the synthesis of poisonous gas like phosgene, carbonyl chloride, trichloronitromethane, tear gas and mustard gas are poisonous gas made from chlorine. Now our new question, short note about chlorine is over. Now hydrogen chloride. Write a short note about HCl. Glober prepared this acid in 1648 by heating common salt means NaCl with concentrated sulfuric acid. ગ્લોબર પ્રિપેર્ડ એટલે ગ્લોબરે પ્રથમવાર 1648 માં આ એસિડ બનાવેલો હતો by common salt means NaCl with concentrated sulfuric acid. Davy in 1810 showed that it is a compound of hydrogen and chlorine. એટલે આ એસિડ સૌ પ્રથમ પ્રિપેર્ડ કોણે કરેલો હતો? ગ્લોબર. એને ખબર નહોતી કે હાઇડ્રોજન અને ક્લોરીનનો જ કમ્પાઉન્ડ છે. Heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. એટલે NaCl માં sulfuric acid નાખો તો HCl બનશે. But Davy showed that Davy બતાવ્યું કે આ જે એસિડ છે એ ખરેખર હાઇડ્રોજન અને ક્લોરીનનું કમ્પાઉન્ડ છે. Laboratory preparation then after industrial. In laboratory, it is prepared by heating sodium chloride with sulfuric acid, concentrated NaCl, Na plus Cl minus. In sulfuric acid, H plus HSO4 minus, H with Cl gives HCl. Now NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate and hydrochloric acid, it gives 420 Kelvin temperature. Now sodium bisulfate react with NaCl. So 2 sodium with sulfate gives Na2SO4. Hydrogen combines with Cl gives HCl. HCl gas can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Here gated hydrochloric acid is moisturous. So we have to remove moisture from there. So we are passing throughout the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is hygroscopic, great attraction toward water. So આમાંથી H2O ને gain કરી લેશે. And as a bubble, HCl comes out. We can dry HCl by using sulfuric acid. Properties of hydrochloric acid. It is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. HCl is a colorless. Pungent, આપણે ગમે તેવી વાસવાળું છે. આપણે HCl વોટરમાં ડિઝોલ્વ કરીને પછી એને હાઇડ્રોક્લોરિક એસિડ કહેવાય, હાઇડ્રોજન ક્લોરાઇડ કહેવાય. અને ગેસ હોય છે પ્યોર 100% વિધાઉટ વોટર. It is easily liquefied to colorless liquid. The sage pressure option, they convert into liquid, colorless liquid. Boiling point 189 Kelvin, and freezes to a white crystalline solid. And the freezing point up to 189 Kelvin is gas. Less than 189 Kelvin, which is liquid. And now less than 159 Kelvin, which is solid, but white crystalline solid. It is extremely soluble in water and ionizes as follows. You can see HCl is one of the strong acid because complete ionization occurs into water. It releases H plus ion and convert into H3O plus and Cl minus. Here ionization constant is 10⁷, 1 crore, which is very much. Ka means concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. This part is very less, this part is very high. So value of Ka 10⁷. The reactant ખૂબ જ negligible હશે, product highest હશે, 100% near about ionization થાય. Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. એ ગેસ હોય તો હાઇડ્રોજન ક્લોરાઇડ કહેવાય. એ વોટરમાં ડિઝોલ્વ થાય પછી હાઇડ્રોક્લોરિક એસિડ કહેવાય. High value of dissociation constant Ka indicates that It is a strong acid in water. Yes, HCl is a strong acid into water. Why? Near about 100% ionization occurs. It reacts with ammonia and gives white fumes of ammonium chloride. सफेद धुमाड़ो आपसे ammonia gas when comes contact with HCl gas, so white fumes occurs of ammonium chloride. White particle of ammonium chloride as a fumes appears when 3 part of concentrated HCl. This point very most important, underline it. When 3 part of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3, 3:1, are mixed, which is called aqua regia. Underline it. घणी बार पूछाई गयो. Which mixture is the aqua regia? 3 part of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. That mixture is called aqua regia. Is found, which is used for dissolving non-noble metals, generally platinum, gold, are not dissolving in any acid, so which is noble metal. But when we take mixture of aqua regia, 3 part of HCl, 1 part of HNO3, so aurum and platinum easily dissolves and forms a complex. The complex बने એટલે dissolve થાય. Aurum solid, platinum solid. Aurum with 4 mole of H plus, 1 mole NO3 minus and 4 mole Cl minus gives AuCl for complex with nitric oxide and 2 mole of water. Now 3 mole of platinum, 16 mole of H plus, 4 mole of nitrate ion and 18 mole of chloride gives PtCl6 minus 2 and 4 mole of nitric oxide and 8 mole of water occurs here. This is our aqua regia where our platinum and aurum easily dissolves. So aqua regia is one of the most important mixture to dissolve noble metals. Hydrochloric acid decomposes salt of weaker acid. NaOH છે strong base છે. કાર્બોનિક એસિડ વીક એસિડ છે. એમાંથી જે સોલ્ટ બનશે सोडियम कार्बोनेट और सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. सल्फ्यूरिक रस्ट एसिड वीक एसिड combines with NaOH gives Na2SO3 sodium sulfide. એટલે આ ત્રણેય વીક એસિડ અને સ્ટ્રોંગ બેઝ માંથી બનતા સોલ્ટ છે. એનું ડીકમ્પોઝિશન કરશે. કાર્બોનેટ બાઇકાર્બોનેટ hydrogen carbonate, bicarbonate, hydrogen carbonate and sulfite, SO3 not SO4. Na2CO3 plus 2 HCl gives 2 NaCl. Then 2 hydrogen with 1 oxygen H2O and remaining CO2 evaporate. Sodium with chlorine NaCl, 2 hydrogen with oxygen H2O, then CO2. 2 sodium with 2 chlorine 2 NaCl, 2 hydrogen with oxygen H2O and SO2 releases from that. Now it is used in the manufacturing of chlorine. Manufacturing of chlorine. HCl is useful in manufacturing of chlorine. Yes, ammonium chloride. How? Ammonia react with HCl gives ammonium chloride and glucose from cornstarch. HCl is necessary from starch. Starch convert into glucose. by acid HCl to extracting glue from bonds and purifying bond black glue બનાવવા માટે from bonds and purifying bond black in medicine and as a laboratory reagent દવાની અંદર અને લેબોરેટરીમાં as a reagent as a bottle which is present in our chemistry lab. When HCl react with finely powdered iron, it forms ferrous chloride and not ferric chloride. Why? HCl react with finely powdered iron, it forms ferrous chloride and not ferric chloride. Why? Its reaction with iron produces hydrogen gas. Ferrous chloride આપશે, ferric chloride नहीं આપે. Libration of hydrogen prevent the formation of ferric chloride. Fe convert into Fe plus 2. So Fe releases 2 electron and release electron gains by hydrogen. So as a hydrogen gas Fe 2Cl FeCl to ferrous chloride આપે. પણ જો Fe plus 3 બની જાય તો લાઇબ્રેટેડ હાઇડ્રોજન છે એનું રિડક્શન થઈને FeCl2 plus HCl માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય. Why? Reduction potential of Fe plus 3 is higher than reduction potential of H plus ion. એટલે આનું રિડક્શન નહીં થાય પણ આનું થઈ જાય, એટલે આનું ઓક્સિડેશન થઈ જાય. એટલે FeCl3 બન્યું હોય તો હાઇડ્રોજન સાથે જોડાય FeCl2 માં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખશે. Reason for that. Now short note about acid over here. Hydrochloric acid. Now oxo acid of halogens. We are going to discuss about oxo acid of the halogens. Due to high electronegativity and small size. Yes. What is oxo acid? In the element when oxygen and OH group both minimum one oxygen and minimum one OH group whenever present on the same atom, so which is called oxo acid. Due to electronegativity, high electronegativity of halogens chlorine, bromine, iodine and small in size. Fluorine forms only one oxo acid. આ બધા સાઇઝમાં big છે. Fluorine forms only one. Fluoric 1 acid. Here exceptionally oxidation number +1. Fluorine ના most of બધા જ compound માં oxidation number -1 હોય. પણ exceptionally છે hypofluorous acid. Hypofluorous acid. Fluorine એક જ oxo acid મળશે. The other halogens are several oxo acid. Chlorine, bromine, iodine એક કરતા વધારે oxo acid હોય છે. Most of them cannot be isolated in pure state. આમાંથી મોટા ભાગના એને isolate અલગ કરી શકાતા નથી. We can't separate isolate from pure state. એકદમ pure એને મેળવી શકાતા નથી. વોટરમાં soluble હોય ત્યારે જ મળે. They are stable only in aqueous solution. અને આ બધા વોટરમાં dissolve હોય aqueous solution માં જ stable છે. અને કાં તો એના salt હોય ત્યારે stable છે, જેમ કે NaClO, sodium hypochlorite. We discussed hypochlorous acid is unstable, but aqueous હોય તો stable. Pure hypochlorous acid છે ના મળે without water. વોટરમાં હોય તો stable છે, એનો salt હોય તો પાછો stable છે. The oxo acid of halogen are given in table 7.10 and the structure are given. We will discuss about it in our next lecture. Here listen first. કેને પહેલા તો ઓક્સો એસિડ કહેવાય? યસ. In the atom where oxygen and OH both are present on same atom, તો એને ઓક્સો એસિડ કહેવાય. ક્લોરીન એક જ ઓક્સો એસિડ આપે છે, જ્યારે ક્લોરીન બ્રોમિન આયોડિન more than one gives the oxo acids. Now we will discuss about it more in detail our next lecture. Till then, bye.